There's 4 pileated woodpeckers down there, like an entire family. There's one. If I scan over here, there's another guy down in the bushes there. See him? And then if I scan back, oh, there's a flicker down there also. Ooh, one of the beautiful woodpeckers. And then if I scan down a little farther, oh, there went one. Oh, he's getting closer. There's another one. Stanley Oliver, don't you dare. My cat's right down there stalking. Don't you dare. Hear him? There's some ducks down there too. Calling to each other. So gorgeous. Wish they weren't so close to the ground.